Welcome guys to new episode. Today we're gonna play Aero Truck Simulator 2 and now let's create new profile. Yes, please enter the name of your what company name is gonna be Polop Polop SR Serle. I'm from English, Europe. Web model, I don't care. Picture. Oh, what are with those pictures? Of a truck design. Yeah, that's probably company logo. Europe. Yeah, but why I have to be a female, man? I don't be, yeah, fuck. Ah, come on, bro, I want to be a man. Name. You're gonna name me Jim. Let's see if he gives me so many photos. What I can do guys. You want to know automatic checking for give uploads and news? No. Disable. Read more. Okay, thank you. No, thank you. Let me play. Okay, so we are level 0. Edit profile. Let's continue game. Select control method, keyboard, mouse, keyboard. No. Wait a second. Okay, so keyboard, real automatic, simple automatic, left to A, right to D, up D, down for S. Okay, finish wizard. Okay, guys, now let's go. We are with the truck. And guys, if you want more videos like this, you can like and subscribe because I'm trying to find a lot of games that you guys will like. Sorry. Okay, so now let us see. So we're in Leipzig. Wait. Food shop. Food shippings. Leipzig to Erfurt. 1,030 euros right. Welcome to Euro Truck Simulator 2. Continue. Okay, at least you have the chance to experience your dream job. Driven the truck. Okay. Your transportation company is now open for business, but sadly, you lack the money to buy a truck. For now, you'll have to work for the companies as truck supplier. Your task is to safely deliver a lot of food, shipping to stock in the effort. Your employer is provided you with a vehicle and will cover all expenses. Don't let anyone down and arrive on time. Okay, man, come on, you're the boss. Come on. Okay, so these are one. Okay, so where's how are you gonna get out of here? Ah, for here. Okay, now we should go. Okay, so we have how much? 195 shit. Fuck man. Okay, now guys, let's continue. Please. The highway. What is that not going? What's that going, man? You can't put the fucking brake. For me, it's okay if you go. Yeah. Watch that guy. This guy is coming. He's coming. And there. Oh, fuck. Wait a second, guys. I think that we have a very big problem. I think that we have a very big problem. So, guys, we are so far. Don't drive on me. Okay guys, so we didn't make the turn. Now we got to go back and make the turn. Come on! Okay guys, we are going to turn. Yeah! So we have to go. We have one out of 5. We have to go in another highway. What this game is so realistic, like when you put the head of the car, you can hear the sound that is more louder. Like in real life. And now guys, let's ride. Drive. Hey guys, yeah, I saw that I didn't pass for a long time, like 1 week, because I had business to do, like other things, and now I come back. I'm gonna prepare you guys with some football. Or Corfu, we have to go where? We have to arrive at 11:20. Bro, they're changing the time because I'm coming back. Here in Spain, hala vega ma, in our country, Spain, like bro, it's easier. And in Spain we're just like tanda. No, in Spain is country. Well, guys, Spain. My country. Let's see, we don't have to make any turn. Yeah, it's like this game makes me feel crazy because like I like to drive, not in real life, but in real life to drive long distances. To make like why I don't take the time to drive long distances, make journeys. Sorry! I forgot that police came. And those guys, oh, that car is going over. This car is going over the speed limit. 100 speed limit, yes! Wait. On A80, fuck, why are you changing like tires? You're changing like socks. Yo, female, yo, hello. Man, you're not gonna be fast. That's if I see the cops one day. Okay guys, we're closely to come and land where we have to, not land, sorry, my pronunciation, but we're gonna arrive to the location. Finally, after hours and hours. Hours and hours and hours. And here. Airport is called. What? I'm not going to go in the like. Boy, hello, police, police. Hi, man, you good? Come on, bro. Shut up. Wait. Yeah, the police was away a lot. And guys, we finally arrived in airport, and this game logic is that airport is space where we are putting food. Yes. Now, where airport is a city, but the game doesn't let us to go to airport. Come on. Yeah. Okay, now we finally arrived here. Let's park the car. This the shit is really empty. Try to park the car. Yeah, bro, skip the job. Okay, they got some money. Show results. Yes, I'm a newbie. You guys. Yes, your headquarters. It's pretty garbage, yeah. Okay, so with the demo game, let's us to go to Germany and London. We can go to London, maybe to, you know, airport to quick shop. Let's see. I want one of the longest one. Finish it. No, here are the best ones. 3,000, 3,000, 4,000. Come on, take job. Take the job. Come on, guys. We're making it. So, bro, this job is like, I had to go more first. Bro. Come on. have to make this way. A lot of way, guys. Lot of way. Way is too much for me and my friend. Stop. The cars are not coming. Let's go. Where 3-8. Okay, now guys, let's go back, make those 200 kilometers. Hey bro, I will want to make a trip from Germany to Italy. This will make me happy. Yeah, okay, understand, sorry. Why this even exists? Bro, fuck it, the police was there. The police were chasing me. Yeah, and let's see okay, let's press F6. Cargo, vectors, F7, power damage, F8 messages, and F9 chat. Okay, so we don't have to sleep. We have to sometimes we have to put new motorway. No, not motorway. Put like diesel. I didn't notice the red light. Sorry. Here I can't. I had bro to make this way. Oh, just a slow car, guys. Don't blame me. I'm a slow car. Don't blame me. Yeah, from 3,400 we lost 1,000. Yes, I'm happy. Or maybe I'm not. Wait a second. Come on guys, I don't want to make... Ah! I can't take it! Okay guys, if you like this video, this is not a save the world, we're gonna save our game. We see our career is doing explanation, truck dealers, if you're... Maybe we can go to Switzerland, buy online, maybe we can make it go to Austria, Slovakia, I don't know. We can, I think that world map, this job, let's see. If I want to take this job, Ukraine job. Abandon. I'm not gonna and guys, if you like this video, you can like and subscribe. My name is Paul. I'm just gonna let you have a nice day. Goodbye.